Garnishing Tools, the art of culinary presentation. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary arts as we explore the term garnishing tools. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about kitchen vocabulary, this video will enrich your English language skills and introduce you to some interesting tools used in cooking. First, let's break down the term garnishing. Garnishing in cooking refers to decorating or embellishing a dish with additional items to enhance its appearance and sometimes add a bit of flavor. It's like putting the final touches on a painting, but with food. This can include herbs, fruits, vegetables, sauces, or even edible flowers. Now, let's explore the tools that make this art possible. Garnishing tools are special kitchen utensils designed for precise cutting, shaping, and placing of garnishes. Here are a few examples. Chef's knife, a versatile tool for chopping herbs or slicing fruits and vegetables. Zester, used to remove fine shreds of zest from citrus fruits. Melon baller, creates small, attractive spheres from fruits like melon or mango. Peeler, strips off thin layers of vegetable or fruit skins, often used for creating decorative curls. Channel knife, ideal for creating twists and strips from citrus peels. Piping bags, for delicately applying sauces or creams. Each tool has a unique role in enhancing the visual appeal of a dish. Garnishing isn't just about making food look pretty. It plays an essential role in culinary presentation. A well-garnished dish can enhance the eating experience, stimulate appetite, and reflect the creativity and skill of the chef. It's also a way to add a burst of flavor or texture to a dish, making it more enjoyable. We hope this video has been a delightful addition to your English learning journey. Remember, the world of cooking is not just about taste. It's also an art form where tools like garnishers play a pivotal role. Keep exploring and enriching your English vocabulary with us. Happy learning and happy cooking!